Hi YouTube, it's Jason King, an online entrepreneur helping you build, motivate, inspire your online businesses. So let's play the subscriber count game. For the best online tips, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification button below to be notified every Wednesday when I produce a new video. Yo, so if you're new to YouTube like me, you'll get caught up and become a subscribe zombie. You'll be looking back and forth trying to check your subscribers every 15 minutes to see if your channel is growing. Well, guys, I did a lot of research on this and man, it turns out that's not what you really need to be doing. That's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. It's pretty much a waste of your time because your subscribers are not your business. So if you're on here for YouTube to build a business, you shouldn't be focusing on subscribers. You should actually be focusing on your email list and building it. Here are 4 sequential steps that I see that are very important to people when they're looking at becoming a subscribe zombie. Step 1, people don't care about your channel or you being subscribed to you. All they want to do is get something for free or get some value from your video. Step 2, man, sub counts. So sub counts only unlock certain features. So when you get 100 subs, you unlock like the custom YouTube channel. You can put your name in your subscription funnel. When you unlock 1,000 or more, you get to monetize. And then so on and so on. When you go to 10,000, you get the YouTube stories feature. This is the only thing that I can actually see that the subscriptions actually do. Everything else is really based off of views. Step 3, you really should be using your platform to build your business. Like I said, YouTube is an all-around platform. So I can tell you my story, tell you how I got started, tell you what's going on, and you can build trust with me. You can like, know, and share my information to other people to let them know that, hey, I'm a genuine person and I'm trying to help you guys build your business as well. And the 4th and the final thing that I look at when I see sub counts. So people are very vain nowadays, and sub counts are just something for you to feed your ego. You don't want to get caught being a sub zombie. Like I said, don't keep going in and out, in and out, in and out, looking for subs to gain some kind of vanity or respect, because it's not going to be there. The subs don't really help you. It doesn't help your channel, because if you really look at it and you go back and you look at all of these YouTube people from years back, they have YouTube's seniors, as I would call them, that have been here for 12 years. And it's young and inspiring channels like mine having to struggle to gain access or trying to hop up to get to these channels that have been there for years. It's so hard for people that's just getting started in a niche to get volume and get up to the higher ranking views, because they have people that are just sitting there for years on end in that certain niche because of their subscribes, and their certain, I guess they look at the video every once in a while. But I feel like if your video has been there for 12 years, it should drop off over time and give somebody new a chance to build their business. So if you guys see this video and you feel what I'm saying, please comment below. Let me know what you think about the sub count thing, and let me know if you really like it. If you don't like it, let's just build a dialogue in my comments. So just comment below and let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, just in case you are trying to build your business, I will have links below to certain tools that you can use for your YouTube page to help you rank, to help you use certain SEO tools, and just to help you generally build your channel. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe below. If you thought that this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments.